What are some good mods? What are some good mods to do to a Camaro SS? You know?
Move your head.
Yeah, move your head because the top's coming up. Mr. Beast bar, look. They got an original and a milk chocolate.
They're not even that much calories.
Feastable.
I like the original chocolate better.
Yo, what's going on, guys? NAQ coaching here this afternoon, and I am in my Camaro SS now. It's been a crazy long day, and we got it done, guys. We, got approved, didn't have to put anything down, and we got the Camaro SS. So I'm excited, I'm motivated, I'm happy, and we just gonna see where this new journey with this car takes us. We're gonna do some car reviews for you guys and stuff like that. So I did keep my stock rims on this Camaro. I kept the rims from my Camaro RS. I put them on this one, so you guys will see that. I'll get some clips and stuff like that in this video for real. But yeah, guys, today's a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm motivated, happy. Bye-bye RS, you're gone, you're out of here. Get out of here. But yeah, so new and different car, new levels. We're stepping up in the car game levels. Huge shout out to Frontier Motors. They hooked me up today. Actually, I'm gonna stay on this one. But yeah, guys, so it's a real quiet ride. I haven't done anything to it yet, but I plan to get a muffler delete and make it loud. It has a cold air intake though. It came with the Stag AE Performance cold air intake, so that's really, really good. So I'm excited. It's a super fast car too. Like my RS had 160 on the dash. This has 180 on the dash. So yeah, 400. I forgot what they said horsepower. But yeah, it's a V8 Chevy, performance car. So I'm excited. I wonder what, But yeah, guys, y'all stay motivated. Keep pushing those dreams and goals too. In a year, I've bought 2 cars. Bought an SS and then an RS, or an RS and an SS. So yeah, this car is fast, guys. I hardly even hit the gas, and it just. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section what are some good mods? What are some good mods to do to a Camaro SS? You know what I mean? It's a whole different drivetrain and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all let me know, and I'll show you what mods this one already has. It already has a few mods. So yeah, I'll definitely show you guys that. It's a convertible, of course. We're gonna keep the top on today because it has been like off and on raining all day in Abilene. So I don't want any water to get in the car or anything like that. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful day. Happy, motivated, excited. We out of here. So hey, y'all stay pushing forward, and y'all just let me know in the comment section some mods.
Pay that much.
You're not united people. I'm gonna try to do window cleaning.
Yeah, you picking your hair?
Yeah, I wanna go to the rich neighborhood.
Oh yeah, you have to go to the neighborhood and tell them. Yeah, they're busy over here. There's a lot of people at this. You have to park right here. They didn't think we were following them. Now pull ahead one and park right in there.
Let's follow some people.
All right. Yeah, I guess.
How do you pull?
I just don't want nobody to try to hit us. But it's okay. I got entrance. You hit this button right here.
Move your head.
Yeah, move your head because the top's coming up. Just like that. It's like a robot. What's it called? Transformers.
How you run?
And then
You gotta roll these 2 back ones up. Hit the 2 buttons behind it.
Wow.
Okay.
This is a cool car. How much you pay for this?
So which way you turn this?
Or did you trade it in?
I traded mine in. Mr. Beast bar, look. They got an original and a milk chocolate.
They're not even that much calories.
Feastables. Oh no, let's look at the calories real quick.
Calories?
1 bar, 170? Dang, that's not that much. Mr. Beast, scan here. I'm gonna scan this on my phone. But that's cool, he made it.
There's mint and different, there's mint types on the website.
Y'all order y'all some Mr. Beast today.
I've had like 4 of them. They're very good. They're addictive. I like the original chocolate better.
Oh, so you're just gonna put that back? What would Mr. Beast say? He would tell you to put it back in its container. You're making them lose out on sales.
He has cookies as well.
Oh, you almost got caught. Look, he knocked that sign over there.
I got hops. I would touch that, but hold on. I don't remember any.
What are you getting, candy?
Not for me, for tomorrow, for our school.
The best candy.
I got one of these.
One of these? And then you bust it down and sell them for $1 each. Yeah. Yeah, it's in black and white.
I don't know what happened by it.
That probably means it's gonna go out soon if it's in black and white.
So the lights come on automatically?